Today, I offer my resignation as Senate President of the Republic of the Philippines.
To those who will carry our mission forward, I hereby tender my resignation as Senate President pro tempore to allow the new leadership to organize its committees and leadership.
I tender my resignation because the greater cause outweighs my personal interest.
I'm also resigning as chairperson of the Committee on Accounts and Tourism and Ethics.
When this institution was under threat, pinaglaban ni Senate President Zubiri ang ating institusyon, pinaglaban niya ang ating taumbayan dun sa mga gustong solohin ang kapangyarihan. I'd like to also tender my resignation as the chairperson of the Committee on Finance, the chairperson of the Committee on Youth, and the chairperson of the Subcommittee on Constitutional Amendments in order to give the new leadership a free hand to choose who they wish to fill up these positions.
I would like to resign, of course, to give the new leadership.
I have never dictated my position on any of you. You know that. I've always supported your independence, which is probably why I face my demise today. I failed to follow instructions from the powers that be.
And medyo masama ng loob ko dahil meron pa mga nagte-text sa akin, we're with you, full support po kami. Kami po ay, 100% sa iyo. Wala pang isang araw, wala lang nagawa. Ang hirap talaga maging politiko. Pa lang, nung hindi po tayo sumang-ayon sa People's Initiative, dyan po na nag-umpisa eh. Hindi tayo sumang-ayon sa kanilang timelines, charter change. Dyan ko din naramdaman na medyo may mga sama ng loob. At mahirap dahil ang akin naman ay gusto ko lang po manatili ang independensya ng ating institusyon ng Senado.